In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create an image using ChatGPT. Make sure that you watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. For this to work, you're going to need to use Discord. You can use it on the web or you can use it on your actual device. Now, what you're first going to do is go onto ChatGPT and type in create a mid-journey text prompt, and you're going to say for and whatever you want the image to be. For me, I did for a gray tabby cat in a windowsill. You're going to wait until it actually fully acknowledges your prompt, and then once it's done, which it should be in a minute, you're going to copy it from ChatGPT. So just like that, I'm going to copy that. Now you're going to go into Discord and go down to add a server. Now you're going to click join a server and type in mid-journey. Now you're going to confirm that you're human, and once you're joined on the mid-journey server, you're going to see a whole bunch of messages. You're going to go into newcomer rooms and you can pick any of the newcomer rooms. You are then going to go into the message and type in /imagine, and it's going to tell you to do a prompt, and you're going to paste in what ChatGPT said. I'm just going to accept the terms of service, and then I am going to redo this again. So you're going to type in /imagine, do the prompt, and since that is banned, now sometimes there is a problem with the subscription and the free trial, so if you choose the free trial instead of subscribing, you will have to try again at another date, but once you actually have your photos that are created, it will give you 4 choices and you can choose between the versions. But that's all. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.